Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Maula, and my student identification number is 2410902020. Today, I would like to present a topic entitled Report Letter. In this presentation, I will explain the definition, objective, factor, element, characteristic, producer, benefit, and the importance of a report letter in legal practice. Let us begin with the definition of a report letter. A report letter is an official document used to provide information about an event, incident, or suspected criminal as to the authorities so the appropriate action can be taken according to the law. In criminal law, a report is notification submitted by a person based on the right or obligation under the law to an authorized official regarding a criminal act occurring or is suspected to occur. A report letter plays a very important role because it is often the first step in the law enforcement process. Through a report, law enforcement officer become aware of an incident and can begin an investigation. Next, let us discuss the objective of a report letter. The first objective is to inform the authorities about a particular event or incident. The second objective is to request action or assistance from the competent authorities. The third objective is to provide a basis for investigation and legal proceedings. The fourth objective is to protect the right of victims or parties who have suffered loss due to unlawful acts. The final objective is to promote public order and legal certainty within society. Now, let us discuss the factors that may lead someone to submit a report letter. The first factor is the existence of material or non-material loss suffered by an individual. The second factor is the occurrence of a violation of law or a criminal offense, such as theft, fraud, assault, or the crimes. The third factor is the need to obtain legal protection from the government. The fourth factor is a legal obligation. In certain situations, a person who knows about a criminal act may be required by law to report it to the authorities. The fifth factor is the desire to seek justice and resolve a problem through legal channels. There are also several important elements that should be included in a report letter. The first element is the identity of the report, including their name, address, and other necessary information. The second element is the identity of the report person, of unknown. The third element is a clear and chronological description of the incident. The fourth element is the time and place where the incident occurred. The fifth element is supporting evidence of witness if available. The last element is the signature of the reporter as a form of responsibility for the information provided. In addition, a report letter has several characteristics. First, it is formal and official in nature. Second, it is clear, polite, and understandable language. Third is the content factual information without exaggeration or false statement. Fourth, it is addressed to an authority that has the power to take further action. Next, let us discuss the procedure for preparing a report letter. The first step in collecting information and data relates to the incident. The second step is arranging the chronology of events in a clear and organized manner. The third step is preparing supporting documents, such as photographs, recordings, letters, or other evidence. The fourth step is writing the report letter according to the required format. The fifth step in submitting the report letter to the appropriate authorities, such as the police or another relevant institution. After receiving the report, the authority will conduct an initial examination and determine the necessary follow-up action. A report letter also provides several benefits. First, it serves an official means of communication between the public and law enforcement agents. Second, it supports the law enforcement process by providing accurate information. Third, it allows victims and injured parties to seek justice. Fourth, it helps the government maintain public security and social order. However, people should be careful when preparing a report letter. The information provided must be truthful and accountable. Filing a false report intentionally may result in legal consequences for the reporter. For example, if a person becomes the victim of motorcycle theft, they may submit a report letter to the police explaining their identity, the time and place of the incident, the chronology of the theft, and any available evidence. The report will then serve as the basis for an investigation by the police. In conclusion, a report letter is an important tool for communicating information about an incident or suspected criminal acts to the authorities. Its purpose is to obtain legal action, provide protection to the public, and support the law enforcement process. Therefore, a report letter must always be prepared honestly, clearly, and based on factual information. That is all for my presentation about me report letters. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.